how to lose weight with Herbalife in just 10 days. Hi everybody, this is Jay here from Authentic Energy, your body confidence builder. Every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I'm here to give you the best tips on body confidence building and personal transformation. So many of you have been very curious about my 10-day Lean and Fit program. And a lot of you, maybe you're watching right now, you have joined my 10-day Lean and Fit program and have lost significant amount of weight in just 10 days. Now you're probably wondering, what is the secret and how do you eat in 10 days? So in today's episode, I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing in 10 days. So before we get into it, I would like to invite you to take a look at our world of healthy, active lifestyle. And the purpose of the 10-day Lean and Fit program is to teach everybody how to eat smart together with our amazing Herbalife products, and also how to live an 80-20 lifestyle. What is 80-20? 80% nutrition and 20% workout. Right, so it is a holistic, healthy, active lifestyle. And of course, the fun thing is, in a 10-day Lean and Fit program, you have a group of coaches. There's a group of us who are wellness coaches. We're here to help you. We're here to review your meals, and we're here to help you kickstart a better eating habit and to kickstart a better healthy lifestyle. And when you get healthy, as a result, you lose weight. Okay, so let me show you what we have to do exactly in these 10 days. So before you start the 10 days, make sure you do a little bit of preparation. Firstly, you need a bathroom scale. Any bathroom scale will do. You don't need a complicated ones, because what we're going to do is to record your weight throughout the 10 days. You'll be required to do your weighing on day 1, day 5, and day 10, the last day, and you can see your weight progress throughout the 10 days. Okay, so it's very simple. We suggest you guys to pick the same time to do your weighing. Say if you do your weighing in the morning on day 1, okay, and all you have to do is simply put your weight down, okay, and step on your scale, grab your phone, and take a photo of your weight. You can see I'm 63. Snap a photo of that, and then you have your weighing photo, and post this weighing photo into our private Facebook group. So we have a record of your day 1 weight. Okay, so on your day 5 and day 10, make sure if you do your weighing in the morning on day 1, do the same at the same time, and make sure you use the same bathroom scale. Don't hop onto another scale at a different time, and that way it will not be accurate. And the second thing you need to prepare is to take full body photos and send them to your coach. So for the full body photos, all you need to do is take a photo of your front view, side view, and back view. So if you're a lady, we suggest you to wear a sports bra and shorts. Something that shows your tummy area, because most of you guys want to lose body fat around the tummy region, right? So it's really good that the more you reveal your skin, the more we can see the difference. And if you're a gentleman, we suggest you to go topless, but don't be self-conscious. This is only for progress tracking. It's not for us to put on, social media to show off anything. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Oh, and remember to receive the 3 guides from your coach. First guide is the challenge guide, which explains how everything works, what are the rules, what are your homeworks. And the second guide is your nutrition guide. And that is so important. Make sure you go through the nutrition guide before the 10 days start, so you know how to prepare your food, you know what to eat, and how to eat throughout the 10 days. And number 3 is your workout guide. So we have designed a very fun 10-day workout program for you. So if you're not sure what to do throughout the 10 days and you don't really have a workout routine to follow, make sure you follow our 10-day workout guide. Okay, so that's all you have to prepare before our 10-day program. So in this 10 days, you're on the same Herbalife breakfast program as everyone else. We're all doing the same breakfast. Isn't that fun? And the breakfast, you may have heard me talking about it before. It is aloe vera, tea, and a shake. and sometimes I call it the breakfast 1, 2, 3. And if you want to see my original breakfast demo video, you can check out the link above. And today I'm going to show you quickly how you can do the breakfast 1, 2, 3 one more time. Some of you, okay, who are working on gaining lean muscles, or you're not getting enough protein from your day-to-day diet, then apart from the aloe vera, the tea, and the shake, you're also getting a protein mix, a protein drink mix together with your shake. Okay, so it's very simple. You just put the protein into your shake. Now, let me show you how you make your breakfast 1, 2, 3. All right, so for the shake, it's actually very simple. All you have to think about is your liquid base first. You can use water like what I have here, or you can use your almond milk, soy milk, or cow's milk, or any nut milk as your water base, liquid base. And today we got some ice cubes just to make the shake thicker. And some of you who drink shake in the summer, you like your shake to taste a bit like a frappuccino, then it's good to put some ice in there. And today we have our cookies and cream Formula 1 nutrition shake, and I'm gonna demonstrate how you make the shake with the cookies and cream flavor. And lastly, I usually suggest everybody to put a little feastful or a cupful of vegetables or fruits into your shake. And I'm gonna show you how you can actually make a yummy shake with some strawberries here. So here we got 300 ml of water, and just chuck it into your blender. Very nice. And then next, take 2 heaping scoops of your Formula 1 nutrition powder. 2 heaping scoops, not flat scoops. Yeah. And then next, strawberries. And then lastly, the ice. Just gonna put in like maybe 3 to 4 cubes. That's it, and just go ahead and have fun blending. Remember, before you take your meal, even your shake, snap a shot, okay? Because it is mandatory that we ask everybody to take photos of everything you eat in a day so that us coaches can make comments and reviews in the group. So remember, before you eat anything, take a photo and post it in the Facebook group. And after the breakfast, I would love to invite all of you to get a 2-liter water bottle and fill it up. That's right, fill it up with water, and you can actually drop some of the herbal tea concentrate into your 2-liter water. And give yourself a task. Finish the 2-liter water by lunchtime. And when you have the herbal tea inside your water, that keeps your body energized and keeps your metabolism boosted all day, at least for the morning, right? And here's something I want you to remember. You have to learn how to hydrate your body, and you have to learn to put more water into your body. More water you have, the better it is for your weight loss. Okay, so after the lunch, I want you to fill up this bottle again. Given that you have already finished drinking the 2-liter water, so after lunch, fill up again. That's right, that's another challenge. 2 liters, and have it finished before you finish the day. Say you work in your office, you finish the day by 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Have the 2-liter water finished before you go home. Okay, so that is your challenge. Now you're looking at least 4 liters of water in total in a day. Wow. Some of you might be like, that's too much for me. I don't even drink like 8 glasses of water a day. What do? No problems. Now your task is to try to hit 2 liters of water a day first, right? So 2 liters, we're talking about just 1 bottle, okay? If you have a 1-liter water bottle, no problems. Then you know that your job is to drink 2 of those 1-liter water bottles. Now, if you have a big water bottle like mine, then you know your job for the whole day is to finish the 1 2-liter water. Okay, that's not so bad, right? You have to train your body to take more hydration from plain water. And if you don't like the plain water taste, no problems. You can put your tea in there, or you can put your aloe vera in there. And you know our aloe vera is available in mango, mandarin, and cranberry flavor. In some countries, you have grape flavor as well. So no excuses. So how do you eat lunch and dinner? It's actually very simple. Just remember two things. Number one, 5 to 10 minutes before you take your meal, make yourself a glass of aloe vera water. So simply put 1 cup of the aloe vera concentrate mixed with a glass of plain water. It could be cold or warm. And drink that in one go 5 to 10 minutes before you take your meal. And this water will actually ensure that you digest better and also your body gets that extra cleansing and hydration. And then when it comes to the meal time, make sure you follow the meal proportion guide inside our nutrition book. And all you have to do is remember, half of your plate should be filled with vegetables, multiple colors of vegetables, okay? And then the other half of your plate, you divided that into 2 halves. 1/4, okay, so that looks like a quarter of your plate. 1/4 should be your lean protein, and the other quarter should be your carbohydrate. So your starchy carbohydrate could be things like pasta, bread, rice, noodles, right? So just follow this simple meal portion, and that will actually ensure that you're taking in the right amount of calories and also the right amount of nutrients, and you're not overeating. So if you would like to see a faster weight loss result, you could actually replace either lunch or dinner with a shake. That's right, just a shake. But we don't suggest everybody to do 2 meal shakes a day and 1 whole meal as a beginner. So try your just a breakfast shake and 2 whole meals a day at the start. And then maybe after 5 days, if you feel like, okay, maybe I should try just replace another meal with a shake, and then you can go ahead and try it. But make sure you come and talk to your coach. Maybe you can come and talk to me before you do that, just to make sure that your body can handle that and you don't feel like you're too deprived of food or anything like that, right? So usually when you replace 2 meals with shakes a day and eat 1 whole meal, you will definitely start to see a faster result. Some of you might feel hungry between meals, right? So you might be wondering, what should I be eating? Can I just go for any snack I want? No. We suggest you guys to go for protein balanced snacks and healthy snacks, low calorie snacks. Okay, so I'll show you some of the examples of the snacks. You can find some more snack suggested lists in our nutrition guide. But here, from Herbalife, we have a lot of amazing protein balanced snacks, such as our soy nuts, which has like 10 grams of protein, 9 to 10 grams of protein in 1 small packet. And we have the protein bar that's available in different flavors. My favorite is actually the peanut butter one. No, sorry, not peanut butter. Yeah, peanut chocolate one. And of course, this is actually one of my favorite, the Brownie Achieve 24 bar. Okay, so this one is very, very high in protein. It has 20 grams of protein. And I do suggest some of you to take this. Not all of you will find this useful because it is also higher in the it is higher in the calories and in the carbs. But if you're someone who's very active, you do workout all day, and not all day, but you do workout every day, and your body does require more energy, I suggest you to go for one of these. And I mean, it is suitable for most people. If you are on the weight loss journey, I'll suggest you to be mindful eating this amazing brownie flavor Achieve bar. If you eat one of these, and I want you to be very cautious with your calorie intake, okay? And do talk to me if you're one of those people who want to take Achieve bar as one of your snacks. And of course, we got this protein beverage mix. It tastes so amazing, like a fruit punch, but it gives you 15 grams of protein. And other snacks that you can go for would be like mixed nuts. Make sure it's unsalted, okay? And also a fruit, right? Like there's no harm in eating fruit. Why? You get all the vitamins and nutrients and the fiber from the fruit. And the fruit sugar is actually good for your body. Just don't overdose it. Cut. So there you have it. This is all you have to do in the 10 days. It's pretty simple, right? And as a result of the active, healthy lifestyle, you will lose weight. Usually, in our experience, people lose about 2 to 4 pounds in 10 days. Some actually lose up to 6 pounds in 10 days. And that's actually very healthy weight loss as a result of healthier eating habits and active lifestyle. If you haven't joined our 10-day Lean and Fit challenge and you are curious about it, feel free to write any questions in the comment below or simply reach out to me and click the link in the description, and you will find out more information about it, when it's our next season, and how to enroll yourself into the challenge. And if you have already enrolled yourself into our challenge, good luck, and I look forward to working with you in the challenge. And if you like this episode, make sure you give us a thumbs up and share and comment. Lastly, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell above, because I am committed to helping all of you to build body confidence and to help you build a confident life. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.